Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You stop the wrong video now by pausing first. Don't search while audio keeps playing. Once paused, look at the video title and channel so you can accurately report or remove it from your queue. Next, open the three-dot menu on mobile or the player controls on desktop to access options like Report, Not Interested, or Remove from Watch History. This establishes control and gives you the context needed to choose the correct corrective action without repeating mistakes. Once you open the options, choose the action that matches why the video is wrong. If it simply misled you, use Not Interested or Remove from Watch History to adjust recommendations. This trains YouTube's algorithm. If it's harmful or violates rules, tap Report and select the closest violation reason, then Submit. That flags it for review. Make sure to unsubscribe or block the channel if you don't want further content from them. This prevents recurrence and helps clean your feed. To complete the fix, remove the item from your watch history or clear a recent segment so recommendations won't replay the wrong content. Then adjust autoplay and recommendation settings to be more conservative. This reduces future mismatches. If you still see the video, clear the app cache, update YouTube, or sign out and back in. These steps resolve syncing and cached recommendation problems. If problems continue, check account-linked devices and repeat clearing history on each one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.